Taking charge. Wondering where your money went. Have you ever felt like your money just disappears every month? It's time to tell every dollar where to go with zero-based budgeting. Imagine this. No more wondering where your paycheck went or stressing about bills. Zero-based budgeting gives you the power to decide exactly how your money is spent, helping you reach your financial goals faster. It's like creating a roadmap for your money, just like you wouldn't drive without knowing your destination. You shouldn't spend without a plan. Zero-based budgeting puts you in the driver's seat, giving you control and peace of mind. Ready to take charge of your finances? Let's dive in and explore how zero-based budgeting can transform your relationship with money. Zero-based budgeting. What's the big deal? Zero-based budgeting is simple. You give every dollar a job. At the beginning of each month, you list all your income. Then, you subtract all your expenses, planned spending, and savings goals until you reach zero. That's right, every single dollar is accounted for. This might sound intimidating, but it's easier than you think. Plus, the benefits are huge. Zero-based budgeting helps you track your spending, see exactly where your money is going, identify areas to save, find extra cash you didn't know you had, reach your goals faster, whether it's buying a house, paying off debt, or taking a dream vacation. Zero-based budgeting helps you get there sooner. Intrigued? Let's explore how zero-based budgeting puts you in control of your finances. Your money, your rules. Take control of your finances. One of the best things about zero-based budgeting is the feeling of control it gives you. No more feeling helpless or stressed about money. With a zero-based budget, you make conscious decisions about your spending. Remember, it's your money, and you get to decide where it goes. You're no longer at the mercy of impulse purchases or surprise expenses. Instead, you're proactively planning and making choices that align with your values and goals. Feeling empowered, let's dive into how this control translates to greater financial efficiency. Making every dollar count. Stretch your budget further. Zero-based budgeting isn't about restricting yourself. It's about making your money work harder for you. By being intentional with your spending, you'll be amazed at how much further your money can go. Think about it. When you give every dollar a job, there's less room for waste. You're no longer mindlessly spending on things you don't need or value. Instead, you're prioritizing what matters most and finding creative ways to save in other areas. Ready to unlock this level of financial efficiency? Let's explore if zero-based budgeting is right for you. Getting started. Is zero-based budgeting right for you? Zero-based budgeting is a powerful tool, but it does require some effort. To be successful, you need to be willing to track your income and expenses. This means being diligent about recording every dollar that comes in and goes out. Make adjustments. Your budget isn't set in stone. Be flexible and willing to adjust as needed. Be honest with yourself. Creating a realistic budget requires honesty about your spending habits. If you're ready to put in the work, zero-based budgeting can revolutionize your finances. Let's learn how to get started. Building your budget. A step-by-step guide. Ready to build your first zero-based budget? Here's a simple step-by-step guide. 1. Gather your financial information. Collect your pay stubs, bank statements, and any other documents that show your income and expenses. 2. List your income. Write down all your sources of income for the month. 3. Categorize your expenses. Divide your spending into categories like housing, transportation, food, entertainment, and debt payments. 4. Allocate your income to each category. Decide how much money you want to allocate to each category, ensuring every dollar has a job. 5. Track your spending. Throughout the month, monitor your spending and make adjustments to your budget as needed. Congratulations on taking the first step towards financial freedom. Visit anthonydoty.com